This is a list of 6 churches that are false. Okay, if you are a member of any of these churches, kindly leave them, run. If you intend to join on any of these churches, please abort the mission because they are false churches. Kindly do me a favor, like this video, follow and share. Now the first church are the Jehovah's Witnesses. This church denies the Trinity. They believe that Jesus is not God. Jesus was just created by God. The second church is what we call the Seventh-day Adventist. This church exalts the writings of another woman called Ellen G. White. They believe that these books are almost equal to the Bible. Another revelation. Avoid this church. They believe that salvation is not just attained by faith, but also by adding works. For example, keeping the Sabbath day. The third church are these churches which are called Holy Spirit churches. For example, the Elijah Musambwa church, which is found in Kenya, or the Wakorino. You know, those people who have a turban on the head. These are false churches. They have some weird characteristics. So avoid this church. This is a cultic church. They can come into your house. They believe they are seized with the Holy Spirit. They start drinking a lot of tea. Avoid this church. It is a heretic church. The fourth church is another church that is called the Church of Jesus Christ of the Latter-day Saints, or the Mormon. This is a heretic church that was begun by somebody called Joseph Smith. Run away from this church. It is a false church. They believe that God was once a human being and he was elevated and became God. The fifth church is the Legio Maria Church, which was found mostly in the Luo area. This church believes that their founder, Prophet Simeo and Ondeto, is the Black Messiah. They believe that he is Jesus. So this is a false church. The sixth church is any church that you attend that exalts any extra biblical teaching or revelation. Run away from this church. Kindly like, and on the comment section list any other church that you believe it is false church.